Okay children, today we are discussing about the lesson three-dimensional figure in geometry part. Three-dimensional figures. Children, you know that the polygons means the sides, some sided figures are called as. For example, three-sided figure is called as triangle. Three-sided figure is called as triangle. How many sides are there? Three sides. Four-sided polygon is called as cube, and what we call as square and rectangle. Square and rectangle. And then five-sided polygon is called as pentagon. So these are called as a 2D dimensional figures. But in this lesson, in this chapter, we will discuss about three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional figures means the objects which see the three-dimensional. When we see the objects, it looks three-dimensional way. So that objects are called as three-dimensional figures. Here, cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone are the examples for three-dimensional figures. In this lesson, we will discuss about name of the 3D figure and shape, faces, edges, and then vertices of the three-dimensional figure. Let us discuss about one by one. First one is cube. Cube. First 3D figure is called as cube. When we see the cube, it resembles to square. It resembles to what? Square. First, how to write the square you have to practice in your home. First, write down the square, and then above you have to write one more square and join the vertices. Okay, so this is called as square. Figure in 3D, in 2D dimensions. Okay, elevation. What is the meaning of elevation? Elevation means when we see the object from front. When we see the object from front, that is called as elevation. Children, this is an example for cube. The shape name is called as cube. When we see the front side of the cube, what we call as elevation. And when we see the object from left to right, so that type we can call it as what? Next, side view. When we see the object from left and right, that is called as side view. And the objects which can be seen on the top, we can call it as plan or top view. Okay, so when we see the object from front is called as elevation. The objects which can be seen from side, that is left or right side, that is called as side view. And then the objects which can be seen on the top, that is called as plan or top view. Okay, so now this cube we can see in the elevation part. So it looks like square. And then in the side view, it can also looks like a square. And the plan also, it looks like a square. Okay, here the cube has 6 faces. Cube has how many faces? 6 faces. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces are there? 6 faces in a cube. So next, edges. See children, 1, 2, 3, 4, below, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges are there? In a cube, 12 edges are there. And let us discuss about the vertices. See children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here in the shape, you can recognize that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is called as vertices. The edges, what we call as two lines meet at the common point, are called as vertices. So how many vertices are there? 8 vertices are there. So in a cube, 6 faces are there, 12 edges, and then 8 vertices. Okay children, when we see from the front side, this is called as what? square. And when we see the cube from side, or it may be left or right, so the shape of the cube is square. When we see the top of this cube, that is also a square. Next shape, next name of the shape is called as cuboid. The next name is called as cuboid. So how can we write? First, write down the rectangle. So one more rectangle. Join these edges. Okay, this is called as cuboid. When we see the object from this, this is one of the example for a 3D dimensional cuboid. Okay, when we see this object from the front, what we call as elevation, we can see a rectangular shape. What? Rectangular shape. When we see the object from side means what? It may be from left or right. We can see a square. Okay, and then from the top of this cuboid, we can recognize that what? Rectangle. Children, here also the rectangle has how many faces? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces in a cuboid. And then edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in a cube there are 8 vertices are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many faces are there in a cuboid? 6 faces. Edges are 12 and then vertices are 8. Okay. We can see in the figure also. This is called as a rectangle. How to write? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are the vertices. When we join this, we will get a cuboid. The edges are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. The faces we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. How many faces are there? 6 faces are there in a cuboid. Edges are 12 and then vertices are 8. So let us discuss about a cylinder. Children, so it is recognized this shape, we can say that cylinder. In a cylinder, 3 faces are there. See children, 1, 2, 3. 3 faces are there. We can give an example for, so this cube we can give an example for Rubik cubes, and rectangle for this chalk box, and for cylinder, pipe, water pipe. We can give an example. Cylinder has one curved surface and 2 circular bases. In a cylinder, only 3 faces are there. This 2 circular bases, 1 circular bases, 2 circular bases, and 1 curved base, 1 curved surface. This is called as 1 curved surface. There is no edges and there is no vertices. Children, what is the meaning of vertices? Vertices means a common point meet, 2 lines are meet at a common point, that is called as vertices. Okay. Next shape is called as cone. Cone has 2 faces. Cone has how many faces? 2 faces. This is called as cone. Cone has 2 faces, 1 circular base. So this is called as circular base, and then 1 curved surface. This is called as circular face and curved surface. This is called as 1 curved surface. Okay, but there is a vertices is there. Here, this is called as vertices. Vertex. Only 1 vertex in the cone. Okay. This is about of the cylinder. Cylinder has when we see the cylinder from front, so we can recognize this is it may be in rectangular shape. When we see from the plan means what? From the top, we can recognize that circular face. It has a circular face. When you see the cone has one circular base and one curved surface. Okay, but only one vertex is there. Vertex means common point. When you see the cone from front side, it appears a triangle shape. When we see from side, left or right, it is also a rectangle. When we see the top or bottom, we can recognize circular base. So these are the name of the shapes, that is 3D dimensions, faces, edges and then vertices. Okay children? In a cube, how many faces are there? 6, edges 12, vertices 8. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 vertices. Cylinder has 3 faces, no edges and no vertices. But in the case of cone has 2 faces, no edges, only one vertex point is there. Okay children, so you have to color some of the shapes of 3D dimension from your exercise number 9.1. So here is a question, what is the shape of the face of a cube? What is the shape of the face of a cube? That is square. How many circular faces are there in a cylinder? How many circular faces? 2 circular faces. You can see in a cylinder, this is called a circular face, and the bottom, the base of this cylinder is also called as circular face. Mention the number of plane figures, surfaces and curved surfaces in a cone. One plane surface and one curved surface. One plane surface and one curved surface in a cone. From your exercise number 9.1, secondly, observe the following table against each shape of the solid, and then you have to put a tick against the figure which is an example for shape, but cross against the figure which is not example for the shape. Okay, so here are some pictures or the shapes. First one, it is not a shape of cube. So they are given but this is not a shape of a cube. So in that one we have to put a cross mark. So cylinder, for example, cylinder. Yes, this is an example for cylinder. Cylinder example, we can give a water pipe. So it is one of the example for a cylinder. And then cone, birthday cap. We can give an example for birthday cap. Birthday cap, triangular base, no? So that's why it has given the shape of the cone. And then cuboid, we can give a table or it may be a chalk box. We can give an example for what? Cuboid. Okay children? So whenever the tick mark, so you have to write the tick mark means it may be a shape of 3D dimensional shapes. Next main, third main, a robot is constructed using a different solid shapes. Identify the shapes and write the number of times. Okay, how many shapes are there in this robot? Okay. This robot consists of cube. How many cubes are there? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. So now we have to write how many 3D dimensional figures are there in this robot. There are 2 cubes are there. Here we can consider cube. How many cubes are there? 1. This big one, the face is called as a cube. 2. Cuboid. Here only one cuboid is there. Cuboid means it appears when we see from the elevation. It looks rectangle. So this is called as one cuboid. Cylinder. Children see, this is also one of the example of a cylinder. This eyes. Also example for cylinder. And then cone. 2 ears. Ears here. No? So that is an example. That is an example for cone. Okay. So write this one from your class to your classwork. From your exercise number 9.3, here also you have to cut the shape of the paper and cut them on their edges and fold the edges. We can give a cylinder or it may be a shape of the 3D dimensional figures. When we use a paper, we can make into these cuboid, cylinder, cone shapes. Okay children? So this is about of 3-dimensional figures. In this lesson, we learn that cube faces 6, edges 12, vertices 8, cuboid 6 faces, 12 edges, vertices 8. In a cylinder, 3 faces are there. In a 3 faces, 2 circular bases and then 1 curved surface. There is no edges, there is no vertices. In the cone, we can see a 1 plane free surface, 1 circular base. So that's why 2 faces are there, only vertex, only 1 vertex is there. Okay. So and then elevation means when we see the object from the front in the elevation. When we see the object from left or right, that is called as side view. When we see the object from top side, that is called as top view or plan. So this is about of the 3-dimensional figures. When the objects which appears in 3 dimensions, so the objects are called as 3-dimensional figures. Here are some solid figures. So this is also called as cube, octagon, solid shapes, octagon. Octagon means 8 sides, 8-sided polygon. This is called as decagon, 10-sided polygon. Thank you children.